Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to do the classic red lip. I think the reason women shy away from wearing a red or a bold lip is that they don't know what shade of red is good for their skin tone. So today, I'm going to show you how to pick the right shade of red for your skin tone. There are three basic undertones: cool, warm, and neutral. Two simple questions you need to ask yourself. Do you tan easily or do you burn? And the second one is, look at your wrist. Can you see veins? Blue veins, purple veins? If you've answered yes to burn easy and can see your veins, then you're a cool tone. If you've answered yes to I tan easily and I can't see any veins, then you're a warm tone. Now, if you've answered yes to I tan easily but I see veins, you're a neutral. And if you've answered I burn easily but I don't see any veins, then you are also a neutral. So now that we've determined your undertone, now we can go and choose the right shade of red. If you're someone who has cool skin tones, then you want to look for a red lip product that has blue or purple undertones. If you are someone who has warm skin tones, then you want to look for a red lip product that has orange or brown undertones. And if you have neutral skin tones, then you can wear either color. It's really just a matter of personal preference which color you choose. I have cool tone skin, so I've chosen a red lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury that has a blue undertone called Red Carpet Red. So our next step is lip prep. When you wear a red or a bold color, it's going to accentuate any sort of imperfections you may have on the lip. So the first thing we want to do is exfoliate. So you can do this with a hand towel or a bath towel. I have an exfoliator pad. It's silicone that I got from Amazon. I think it was about $4.99, and I'm just going to use that to exfoliate my lips. So I'm just going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to gently exfoliate my lips. So now I'm just going to take a Kleenex and I'm just going to wipe off any dry skin. So our next step is hydration. When you wear any lip product that has a lot of pigmentation, it's going to dry down your lips. So we want to make sure we've got good built-in hydration before we put the product on. So I'm going to use Squalane Oil as my hydration. Squalane Oil can be found in most hydrating skincare products and is a great source of hydration for the face and for the lips. So for today, I'm going to use the BioEssence Squalane Oil. So I'm going to put a little on a cotton swab, and I'm just going to gently apply that to my lips. So you're going to want to leave that on for 5 to 10 minutes because we want to make sure that the oil really sinks into the skin. Normally I would do this step first, do the rest of my makeup, and then come back and finish my lips. By then the oil has already soaked into my skin. You could use grapeseed oil as an alternative to Squalane Oil. In a previous video I showed that you can use grapeseed oil to remove your eye makeup. It would be perfectly safe for your lips. Or you could use solid coconut oil. A little would go a long way, so I wouldn't put very much on, but again, a great source of hydration, and it's probably something that you already have in the kitchen. What I wouldn't recommend is using a balm or a chapstick. Here's the reason why. They put a product in there that acts as a barrier between your lips and the environment. It's a good barrier to have, but not when you want to put a lip product over top. If you use a lip balm or lip chap, it's going to interfere with the application of your lip product and definitely interfere with the wear time and the overall look of your lip. So it's been approximately 10 minutes since I put the oil on. I'm just going to take a Kleenex and blot my lips together just to make sure there isn't any leftover oil residue on them. So when you're wearing a red or a bold lip, you absolutely need to have a lip liner. So the purpose of the lip liner is to act as a barrier between your lip and your skin. We don't want the product to slide around or move outside the lines. For today, I'm going to use the MAC lip pencil in Cherry. So my rule of thumb is bold lip, neutral eye, bold eye, neutral lip. So I'm going to pull you guys in a little closer so you can watch the application. So I have a smaller upper lip than my lower lip, like most people do. So I'm going to use my lip liner to cheat the line a little bit to make it look like it's fuller, and it'll give me a little more real estate when I go to put my lipstick on. So don't panic. It's very easy to overline your lips and still make it look natural. So here's your lip area. There's your skin. There's that little line of the outside of the lip. That's what we're going to go above. Just a little bit, but we're going to overline this area and this area. I'll come in a little bit so you guys can see that I did overline, but it doesn't look crazy. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great holiday season, and I'll see you guys in the next one.